Assalamu alaikum. My name is Anam Nadeem. I'm your SST teacher. How are you all students? I hope you will be fine. Well, I'm going to teach you Oxford to Secondary Social Studies for Pakistan. Today we are going to learn about chapter 10 Early Muslims. Well, in this chapter we will learn about the history of early Muslims. As you know, the rise of Islam, by the time Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam died, Islam had spread throughout most of the earth. The four rightly guided Khalifas following Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, known as Khulafai Rashidin, and one of the Khulafai Rashidin, that was Hazrat Ali. After the death of Hazrat Ali, Islam had spread beyond Arabia. Now I will tell you about the Umayyad dynasty. Umayyad dynasty came to power in 661 CE under Amir Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan, who was the governor of Syria. The step he took, he shifted the capital to Damascus, a city of historical importance, and the development of the navy by the Umayyad ruler Amir Muawiyah resulted in conquest by sea of Ireland and then Spain. Cordoba was made the capital. Education, science, medicine, art, and culture flourished, and Cordoba University was considered as the largest and the best institution of its time. So the end of Umayyad rule in 750 CE. Now I will tell you about the Abbasid dynasty. Well, in the 8th century, Abbasid founded the city of Baghdad, and the famous rulers were Harun al-Rashid and his son Mamun. And the Abbasid dynasty, the period is known as the age of wealth and culture. Well, learning and education was very encouraged, and the most important contribution by Arab is in the field of mathematics, laying the foundation for the modern mathematics. And the Abbasid dynasty came to and with the fall of Baghdad in 1258, and the rise of other Islamic states from 8th to 9th century. That was the Turk, the Ghaznavid, the Seljuk, and the Turks occupied Iran, Iraq, and Turkey. Now I will tell you about the Crusades. Well, the Crusades took place for 11th to 13th century. Do you know what are Crusades? Well, the Christian fighters were called Crusades because the Latin word for the cross, a Christian symbol, is crux, and the important Muslim leader of this period was Salahuddin Ayyubi, and Salahuddin Ayyubi ruled over Syria and Egypt from the Crusaders in 1188, and he set up schools, colleges, and hospitals, and he was known as the West as Saladin, and he died in Damascus in 1193. So this was all about today's lecture, in which we have discussed about the Umayyad dynasty, Abbasid dynasty, and the Crusades. Is there any query, any problem which you want to discuss? Okay.